In order to install the React application, you have to have the Node.js package management. So just download it from its official website, get Node.js, and follow the installation process. It's very easy. There's no need to include that. And once you have it, you can go to your, for example, your terminal or your PowerShell, and then type node-v. It will bring the version of your node, and you can also execute Node.js commands in the shell. And what I want to do is to install the React application. So I will go to my folder and write npx create React app, and then my name, my custom name for the React application. I will name it series. Let's just not include dash. It's better not to include them. And then you have to wait for a while. And once the process is finished, the React application is ready to use.